Hello friends, welcome to Chem Network Star. This is your host Ashika Arun with my co-host
Juliana Maria Berzola.
Ja. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to
Prepare 500 milliliters of 2 molar HCl
which is hydrochloric acid,
from 6 molar HCl.
hydrochloric acid, and then we're going to use the equation m sub 1 times b sub 1 equals m sub 2 times b sub 2, and then we're going to substitute the 6 molar because that is m sub 1 times the b sub 1 because we do not know the b sub 1 equals the 2 molar times the 500 milliliters, and then we're going to get, we'll divide everything by 6, and then we're going to get that b sub 1 equals 167 milliliters.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're going to start the experiment.
First, you need to fill this with a little bit of water, but we've already done that because that takes a very long time.
And this is a 500 milliliter volumetric flask.
Yeah.
And so we're going to fill the rest a little bit more. So about halfway with some water. Then we're going to take the 500 milliliters, actually we're going to take 167 milliliters of the 6 molar hydrochloric acid.
But first, since there is only 100 marked on here, you fill up to 100, pour that in, and then you fill up to 67. I'll do the 100, she'll do the 67.
Okay. While we're waiting, you should know that this is a graduated cylinder. And it is not a beaker. Okay.
Perfect. Okay.
So that is 100 milliliters. And after we add everything, we're going to invert the flask 11 times.
So that it is properly mixed. Okay, your turn.
So I'm going to do 67 because we already did 100.
And before you invert it, you need to put the paraffin. Otherwise, it will go everywhere.
And it is put on top of the flask.
Not in front, not underneath it, on top.
Not around it, it only goes on top.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is everything. Well, now actually we're going to add more water because you always add water to the acid and you never add oil. Add acid to water because then you can neutralize it by adding more water to it. So that's what we're going to do right now. It's supposed to go all the way to the top, so this is going to take a while.
3.
Okay, so this is almost full. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to
Put on the paraffin on top like this.
and we're going to make make sure it is secure so that nothing gets out. Okay, I think this is good.
Okay.
Now
Now
we're
she's going to invert it 11 to 12 times, depending on what she wants to do.
I think it's good like this. Okay, so 1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
6,
7,
8, 9,
10, 11,
we're going to do one more.
12.
Okay, we're done. Okay.
3.
Okay, so now we have created the 2 molar 500 milliliters of hydrochloric acid because we first started out with 6 molar and we have now diluted it to 2 molar.
So, that concludes our experiment for today. Until next time on Chem Network Star.
Adios, mi amigo.